Hey there! Have you ever wondered how professional athletes manage to perform at their peak and sustain that level of performance? It seems almost superhuman, right? But what if I told you that their secrets to success are not as mysterious as they seem? Today, we are going to uncover some powerful principles that can help you tap into your full potential and achieve greatness in all aspects of life. So let's dive in. Professional athletes spend about 90% of their time training to be able to perform at their best 10% of the time. Their entire lives revolve around managing energy efficiently in every sphere of their existence, from eating and sleeping to summoning the right emotions and staying focused. Now let's talk about you and me. We are expected to perform at our best for hours and hours every day with little or no systematic training in managing our energy. Athletes enjoy long layoff seasons for rest, healing, and energy renewal. Unfortunately, most of us only get a few weeks of vacation a year, and even then, we are often not fully unplugged from work. Our careers span decades with no significant breaks in between. The pressure to keep going without sacrificing our health and happiness can be daunting. So how do we stay at our best without burning out? It is time to embrace the 4 key energy management principles that we share in our Athlete of Life program. Full engagement requires drawing on 4 separate but related sources of energy, mainly physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual. We are complex energy systems, and all 4 dimensions, physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual, profoundly influence each other. To reach our full potential, we must skillfully manage and nurture each aspect of our energy. Remember, energy is the common denominator in all our aspects of our lives. It fuels our capacity to achieve our goals, ignite our talents, and lead a fully engaged life. So let us take a lesson from the playbook of professional athletes and start managing our energy more effectively. Embrace these principles, and together we will unlock our true potential, lead fulfilling lives, and achieve greatness in everything that we do. Reserve a seat in our workshop today and join me in becoming an athlete of life.